Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question of which websites allow split payment. Now it is important to distinguish between split payments in the sense of using multiple payment methods for one transaction and split payment as in buy now pay later services. So for buy now pay later service, which is what I'm going to concentrate on, talking about split payments as in paying in installments. Now, these services are the most common way to split payments online. You can select them at checkout and pay in installments. The ones that accept split it. So split it allows you to use your existing credit card to split payments into installments. And you can find them on various e-commerce sites. Examples of these sites are MyProtein, House of Bling, Sundays, Canyon Bicycles, and Simba Sleep. Just look for the split it option during the checkout process on these and other service sites. The next we have is Klarna. You see, Klarna offers various installment options and is widely integrated with many retailers, particularly in fashion and electronics. So you can pay through split it, you can split payment through Klarna, and then we also have Afterpay. Afterpay is very popular for splitting purchases into 4 interest-free installments, often seen on clothing and beauty websites. You can also pay through Affirm. You see, Affirm provides more flexible payment plans, sometimes with interest, and is often available for larger purchases. Then we also have PayPal, which allows you to pay in 4, and we also have the pay monthly options. If a site accepts PayPal, you might see this option, so you can use it to split your payments. Now, like I said, we also have services that facilitate splitting payments across multiple cards. Now, these are less common on standard checkouts, but allow you to use more than one card for a single purchase. For example, Kashish. You see, this service lets you split any online purchase across multiple credit, debit, and prepaid gift cards. All you have to do is to link your card to Kashish and then generate a virtual MasterCard debit card for you to use at checkout on almost any site accepting MasterCard debit. Then last but not least, we have the less common method, which is direct split payments on a retailer's website. You see, some retailers have built-in functionality to split payments directly. For example, we have Target. Target allows you to split a payment between 2 credit or debit cards, both in-store and on target.com. We also have Amazon. While you can't directly split a payment between multiple cards, on Amazon, you can combine a credit or debit card with an Amazon gift card. So that's it. Now, there's some things you need to remember. You see, the buy now pay later, which is BNPL, is the most widespread service, like Split It, Klarna, Afterpay, and Affirm. They are frequently integrated into e-commerce checkouts. So always check it out the checkouts. You see, the best way to know if a website offers a split payment is to look at the available payment options when you are ready to make a purchase. Note that each BNPL service has its own terms, installment schedules, and potential fees, so be sure to understand them before you commit. But as the e-commerce landscape evolves, more websites are likely to adopt split payment options to offer greater flexibility to their customers. So keep an eye out for these options as you shop.